Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 7th NCERT chapter of Symmetry. This is fifth question of its exercise 14.3. So the question says that name the quadrilaterals which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than one. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हमारे पास स्क्वायर has line of symmetry, vertical line, horizontal line, and diagonal. So it has 4 line of symmetry, and इसे हम इस पॉइंट से रोटेट करेंगे अबाउट सेंटर 90 डिग्री. So it has exactly same figure after 90 degree rotation. So it has rotational symmetry of order 4. So here line of symmetry is 4 and rotational symmetry of order 4, जो कि हमारे मोर देन 1, एक से ज्यादा है. थैंक यू.